Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the part 2 of the video I posted last week, which we're talking about facial skincare, my Korean skincare things. And in that video I told you guys I was going to be talking about my body care products and what I've been using of late that I have been noticing some significant changes. Some of these products are new, but even as new as they are, I see result, which makes me confident to come in here and talk to you guys about it. So we're going to be talking to you guys on how I use them. So the very first thing I want to talk about is my shower products, the products I use to wash my body. I have 3 body wash here. One is my most favorite, one is my least. I have tried other ones than the ones I'm going to show you now. They didn't do, in fact I feel like one gave me more concerns than normal. I started using that product and I started developing like chest acne, back knee, everything, which if you watch my previous video I mentioned that when you start to have like all this kind of acne and type of things, aside dirt or clogged pores or things like that, most times it is your skin telling you I am dehydrated, I need moisture, I need hydration. So the first product here is this one from Nutum. It is the Perfector Salicylic Body Wash, and this is what it looks like. Now, I love this product because when I need it to work, it works. But it is a very drying body wash. It's salicylic acid. It's going to suck you up of all like it is really drying, and the ripple effect of that is if I have to use this product, I have to make sure that I am replenishing all the oils, all the moisture that this one wash of this can do to my body. Once I'm done using this product, I find myself like itching. You know when you have dry skin and you're literally itching? Like I find myself doing that, not from reaction but from like dry skin. The next one, also from Nutum, it's the Smoother Glycolic Acid Body Wash. This one is also exfoliating and resurfaces rough bumpy texture to reveal softer, smoother skin. It has AHA blend in it and cleanses sloughs of dead skin and things. So this is a recent purchase. I feel like going forward in the future, rather than getting that one I got before, I would probably go for this one because it's got AHA, it's got glycolic in it, so you can't just use this on your body and you walk out the door in this summer. Hell no, girl. Put on your sunscreen, okay? But because it's not every day I have time like to apply sunscreen on my body. Sunscreen on my face is a everyday type of thing. But yeah, if you're wearing clothes and parts of your body are going to be covered, of course you don't really need to wear sunscreen on those areas. But the places that are going to be exposed, then yes. So because I don't want to apply sunscreen all the time, I have another option which I use as my daily body wash at the moment, and it's this one from Palm Olive. This one here, it is milk and honey nourishing skin with vitamin E. One thing I've learned about my kind of skin, caramel skin, basically my needs and everything, I need humectant. I need products like aloe vera, honey, those kind of things. My skin loves them. My skin flourishes in them. So if you're someone who has like caramel skin and things like that, honey is something that aloe vera, honey, you would love on your skin. My skin absolutely loves anything that has honey. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, yeah, it will work well for me. And has it been? Yes. This thing, without me even using this, has been reducing the bumps I have on my chest area, and that's obviously because of the humectant. So honey, obviously it's going to attract moisture to your skin naturally, which will then obviously help to heal all this like acne, chest acne and things like that. So definitely this is my first one, and I think I only got this, it's not even been up to a month, and I just have up to here because obviously I use it every day or twice a day. Like as needed. When I'm talking about hyperpigmentation, I'm not talking about hyperpigmentation like maybe my tummy is like really black or no. Hyperpigmentation, you know, elbows, knees, those kind of places that we think that they should be black, no, but they shouldn't. So those are places I try to like brighten up, my underarms and areas where I feel like I can be doing. And I've also found that the reason why we most times have these issues is because we don't wash ourselves as we should. When you're bathing, wash your neck area. When you're applying cream, ensure that you're applying area like cream to all these areas. We don't pay attention to all these areas, and then as a result they end up being darker than our skin and resulting to hyperpigmentation. Now that I'm aware of all of these things, I'm now more intentional. So when I'm showering, I'm intentional about washing behind my neck, in between my ear. And since I've been doing that, I have been noticing loads of difference. Next is a exfoliator or a mask, scrub, you name it. It is this one from Nutum as well. The first time I used this, oh my god, like my skin felt so soft. Nah, you can't tell me otherwise. So soft. I'm like, what is this thing? This is an exfoliant and a mask. It is meant to smooth bumps, dry, rough and dull skin. It also has AHA chemical exfoliants there. I think these two are in the same family from this brand. I shaved all over and used this as my scrub all over, and when I was done, girl, when I was done, my skin thanked me. For the next 2-3 days, my skin just felt like it just feeling like so soft, so soft. So this is a shower oil that I use. This is very recent in my collection of body care products. It's a shower oil and it's from L'Occitane, and the reason why I bought it actually was because of this one, because I thought if I can go in with a shower oil after or work this together, maybe I wouldn't feel as drying as I feel when I use this alone. Which, yes, I was absolutely right. I didn't feel as drying as I would feel if I used this alone. Using this together, absolutely. But then going in with a shower oil after washing, like a wash after a wash. I mostly do all of this like intense care body skincare thingy when I'm going to bed because I have time for that, right? There's a lot of time for me to pay attention to my body. Yeah? So that's a trick. So don't do your skincare when you're rushing to work or rushing. When you come back home, take your time. How well you treat your body is how well it will work for you when you need it to work for you. So pay attention to your body now. When I was struggling to find a whipped body cream, a whipped body butter, a whipped, that will do the thing for me, I couldn't find it. So I started making my own whipped body butter, which is not new to people who are not new to my channel. You know, this is an empty jar because we've used it. I've so much evolved in the way I make my oils, my body butter. I now add honey into my body butter because I've come to realize that it's a very essential ingredient for my skin. Now onto the magic that I feel like has literally put everything together for me. Started making everything to make sense for me. It's the Advanced Firming Cream by Advanced Clinicals. It promises to renew, anti-age my skin. It's got green tea, aloe vera and chamomile. What did I say? Anything that has honey, aloe vera, my skin will drink. So this stuff right here, this is what it looks like, and you guys have probably seen this a lot, but you've seen the vitamin C one of this rather than the retinol one. I was looking for the vitamin C one a lot online, Amazon, and it was out of stock weeks on end. I was like, no, I want it, I need it, give it to me. But I came across this YouTuber who was using the retinol one, and she was like, she knows a lot of people use the vitamin C one, but And vitamin C is going to help with brighten your skin, which is what I'm looking for. But this one, I figured, is retinol. It will help with anti-aging. Anti-aging products and retinol products will also help with hyperpigmentation and keep the skin subtle, keep the skin brighter, help to tone my skin perfectly, and just keep everything together, right? Basically, I'm getting 2-in-1 in this product. My skin looks younger, anti-aging, and it's also gonna help to brighten areas that I need to brighten, right? So it's like, okay, let's try it. Good thing comes with a price, okay? I have noticed difference on my skin. This is the body oil spray from Aveeno. This thing, yeah, you just spray and then you moisturize. It smells so good. Even with just the oil, this is my moisturized hand, and this is the one that's not moisturized. You guys can see already, like the glow and everything. These are the kind of things I love, like smelling good, feeling good, nice PJs, a nice cup of tea, and then sweet dreams. Like, love it for me. But yeah, these are the things I've been using on my skin, and my skin loves it so much, and I love it for me. Yeah, but let me know if there's anything that I've mentioned here that you're intrigued about, that you might be getting. Let me know. Leave a comment section. And if you also have any product that you're using that you feel like, Debbie, try this, you would love it, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to try it out as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!